Hey y'all, we're back in the shop working on the 61 Unibody. We're going to continue to tear it down a bit further. I've got all the wiring harness out, except I can't get the ignition column out, or ignition switch out. I know how it's supposed to come out, it just doesn't want to accomplish that. So it's very close to having all the wiring harness out. Everything is stripped off of the frame rails that I know has to come off. There's not 3 sets of exhaust hangers anymore. There's not all sorts of extra brackets hanging off that I know nothing of. But it's got a lot of cleaning that still has to happen. So I'm gonna work on the firewall. I'm gonna work on the frame rails from the firewall forward. This is my goal for this afternoon. I'm just gonna try and get that all cleaned up as much as possible. And I don't know, we'll see what happens after that. Okay everybody, you can see I've been working on cleaning up the axle, and I made new spring plates to match. These are actually going to go up here on top, and I've got new spring blocks. Kind of put that all together, and it's going to be all locked in and solid, and it'll be great and make my spring over happen, or spring or axle flip, or whatever you want to call it. Either way, I'm getting it done. Okay, I took delivery of the new rear axle today. It's a Ford 8.8 out of a something something Ford Explorer. Obviously it's got discs. This will be replacing that big old hunk of something. Yeah. I don't know, my phone can't focus, but that's alright. Right on. It's come together. I don't know if you can see any of this. I'm also mocking up the new leaf spring packs. Yep. Working on the front ones too. They're up there. But almost got this front axle all torn down, ready to put a new spindle on it. Come to find out, it had a bad spindle. Fortunately, I have 2 more opportunities over here for good spindles. Then I can get my disc brake kit and then install it on that. And that should be good to go soon. All right, well, peace.